Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will break down for you how you can speed up or slow down your video clips in Shotcut. So let's get started. Launch the Shotcut video editor, start a new video project and add a video clip to your timeline like that. Here I will go with that one for demonstration purposes. Now guys, if you run that video clip in the preview mode, you will see that the speed is normal or on default, which is 1. So it's neither faster nor slower than normal. So to change your video clip speed, you don't have to apply any filters or you don't need any advanced video editing skills, guys. You can do that simply by clicking on your video clip here on your timeline and by selecting properties here to the left and by setting your video clip speed here at the top where it says speed. As you can see, it is set on default speed 1 for me or for that video clip, but you can change that speed, for example, from 1 to 2 to double the speed or slow it down, like for example on 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, for instance, to slow down your video clip significantly. For example, if I set the speed on 0.1 of the normal speed, you will see that it has been really slowed down significantly. If I play that video clip in the preview mode, you will see that this is almost like slow motion, is super slow. So let me go with a speed of 0.5. There you go, that's half the speed of the default speed, and you can apply that to any video clip you like and apply that slow motion effect to specific parts of your videos. To do that, simply right click on your video clip here on your timeline, select split at playhead from the drop down menu, and then simply apply different speed for both clips. For the one, for example, normal or default speed of 1, and for the next one, let's say a speed of 0.5 to give your video a really good and nice slow down effect, just like that. And there you go. That's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.